Okay, aloha. Activity 16 in the news. Alright, so we're practicing with Microsoft Word. The whole point of this is as you know, Microsoft Word, you can just type here, right? You hit enter, you can type, but like I can hit tab a couple times to type, right? But if you wanted to get it like to a specific spot on the screen, it can be a little frustrating to actually type in that area. So that's why inserting text boxes, like a lot of you are familiar with, comes to the rescue. So all you got to do is go to Insert, and then simply just go to text box, which is all the way over here on the right. Okay, and we just want to draw a text box. Okay, now by default, when we draw a text box, it's going to have lines around it. Okay, so all I did was click and drag, right? Okay, so you're just going to want to type whatever in here. Okay, you click outside of this text box, and then look, this is an actual spot on the screen that we can put anywhere we want, right? Okay, so, and then look, I can still type like normal in Word, but here I can put this anywhere. Okay, so for our activity, we're going to want no border on the text box. So all you need to do is just double click the text box, then you get the shape format dialog box, and then we want to go to line, and see it says solid line. We want to have no line. So what that does then is it takes the text box away. But once you click in here, you see it brings the line back up that just says, hey, you're working with a text box. Okay, pretty simple. All right, next thing, we're going to be wanting to insert pictures into this document. So for this one, like Nike, like the first one says, Nike stock prices are on the rise. Boom. Okay. Now we want to insert a Nike picture that has to deal with that. All right. Anytime you see where it says clip art image in this document, clip art is kind of a thing of the past, because the internet, when the internet wasn't around, when you would get a Microsoft Word, it would have thousands of these little cheesy pictures. And now, because of the internet, you can just easily go to Google and copy something and paste it into Word. So I kind of did away with clip art. So all you have to do is just go to your web browser. I'm going to pull up Firefox here, and I'll just say Nike. Nike. Okay. And you guys, I think, pretty much know how to copy and paste from the internet. If you ever have a time where, so you just click on it, right click, copy image, 9 times out of 10, when you go back to Word, 9 times out of 10, you can go to paste and it will paste it. If you ever have issues where it doesn't, that 1 time out of 10, then what you have to do is save the picture. So I'll go back over here into, come on, Firefox. So then you have to right click and just go to save image. And then you save it on your computer somewhere. Maybe desktop's easy to save it there. And then you have to go back into Word and then just go to Insert, Pictures, Picture from File, and then just go to your desktop or wherever you saved it and put it in. Okay, so now here's one problem, that whenever you insert a picture, notice it's a real pain to move. Like I'm trying to move this and it won't allow me to move it. Easiest thing to do, so I can make it a little smaller to show you what's going on. I want to move this picture, but I can't. So easiest thing to do is double click it. And I'm going to go to picture format. See up here? Wrap text. When in doubt, guys, I always put it in front of text. And what that does is it allows you to put this wherever you want. Okay. So wrap text. And then I'm going to select it again. Come on, computer. My computer's being a little slow. Alright, I'm going to pause it for a second. See what's going on with my computer. Okay, I can't figure it out. My computer's acting goofy, but I'm just going to delete it and watch. I'm going to paste it again. Or just paste that Nike swoosh again. Click on it and see the picture format comes up. I'll show you how to do it again. And then you want to go to wrap text. And then if you go in front of text, what this does is it allows you to put it anywhere you want on the screen. It allows you to drag it around. Okay, but look, it does go in front of the text. So if I wanted to click on this one from the last activity, we could make this, we can click on the shape format and we could bring this forward if we wanted. Bring forward. And this will be in front of that. Okay, so mess around with it. Remember, you want to remove your boxes here. Okay, that should be it for activity 16.